You are watching Chin Mum's Kids Learning.
Hello friends, I'm your teacher and today we are going to learn to count all the way to 20. Let's have some fun with numbers. Let's start by clapping our hands 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now let's stomp your feet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You are ready to learn. Let's count from 1 to 10 together. Are you ready? 1. One sun. 2. Two shoes. 3. Three balloons. 4. Four flowers. 5. 5 apples. 6. 6 stars. 7. 7 cars. 8. 8 crayons. 9. 9 books. 10. 10 fingers. Show me your 10 fingers. Wiggle them. Now, can you find something around you with number 2? Like 2 shoes? Yes, 2 socks. 2 eyes. 2 ears. Very good. Now, let's count from 11 to 20. Ready? 11. 11 leaves. 12. 12 eggs. 13. 13 stars. 14. 14 pencils. 15. 15 grapes. 16. 16 fish. 17. 17 butterflies. 18. 18 candies. 19. 19 hats. 20. 20 toys. 'Can you clap 12 times with me? Let's count as we clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fantastic! Let's count some objects together. How many blocks are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's try 10 crayons. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll show you some objects and you guess how many there are. Are you ready? How many apples? Yes, there are 3. What about the balls? 5. Great guess. Now, let's count and move. When I say number, do the action that many times. Jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Spin 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Stomp 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count to 20 while we march in place. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You did it! Wow! Today we counted from 1 all the way to 20. You're amazing! 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, count some more. 8, 9, 10, now let's go. 11, 12, and on we show. 13, 14, count with me. 15, 16 to 20. Thank you for counting with me today. Keep practicing and soon you will be a number expert. See you next time. Bye.